Hey, what's going on, guys? Just trying out this crimping here. I got a crimping set recently, just a cheap crimper. It was like 20 bucks. Just thought I'd try it out, and I actually got it for my motorcycle indicators, but I couldn't get the crimps tight enough. I couldn't get the crimps to hold together properly, so don't know if I'm doing something wrong or they're just not that reliable, but not sure what gauge this wire will be. Um, but this here is a red crimp, which is for 22 to 18, it says on there. So, and this one's a bullet, I think. That's what you call it. It goes with a these go together, and so you crimp one wire there, one there, and then you can kind of have a plug. So they're kind of handy, I guess. That'd be quite a handy thing to have in some situations, but so we've got to make sure we put the wire on this side here, and just a little, okay, and so I believe someone said in the comments that you put this side down if you're crimping. Don't know if it's for these with these crimps or not. I think so though. If you're crimping the actual wire, and then if you're crimping the part that goes over top of like the insulation, whatever. So yeah, the red one. Give it a good squeeze. See how that is. It's pretty good, that one. Yeah, that's in there pretty good. Can't get that one off. I was going to do a review and say that it's not that good, but I think that's what I've been doing wrong, using the wrong size. It seems to be in there quite good, that one, so pretty happy with that. If I'm and then I just crimped the that on there to the wire, to the insulation. It's actually quite good, I'll have to say. I could probably remove it if I really wanted to. Well, no, actually I don't think I could. That's on there pretty good. So I was going to say that crimping isn't that good, but I think that's what I was doing wrong. So I can see how it would be quite a useful thing with like having the bullet style connections, and just like these different things here, different connections and stuff. But yeah, don't have any more. This here is this one's called a butt slice connector, and that way you can just join two wires together as if you're like soldering. But yeah, I think that these are too big for my wire that I'm using. Might try another one, try to do this butt slice connector, and I'll show you what I mean. So I'm going to put them in. And I guess I'll just I've always got the wrong camera angle, haven't I? I'll just crimp it together right quick. and do the ends too, where it connects to the insulating wire. Need to work on better camera angles, don't I? And with this one here, seems I used the wrong wire. It holds in there alright, but if I really try, I'll be able to separate it. So there goes one wire, and there's the other one. But I think that's just because I was using the wrong size crimps there. So always check though, I guess. And I've seen a guy online, he separated his, and I don't think I can get this one to come out at all. No, this one won't come out. So that is where I was going wrong. I've seen a dude online, he takes these parts, this plastic, whatever you want to call it, covering off, and he solders in some solder into the joint, but I haven't tried that. So that's pretty much it.